Okay, here I am drilling these bottoms of these 5-gallon buckets. And I had them in stacks of 10s each and working on them. Doesn't matter where you drill them, just get these drill holes on the bottom so that the water seeps out and the roots don't suffer from water rot. So that is how you drill it. I have a simple drill and I just drill randomly. It doesn't matter. Now I'm getting ready to drill these holes. Got my drill. Mine's corded, so it's not a battery. So here's how we do it. That's it, just random. Drill these babies in so that the water does not stay and cause water rot on these plants. They'll be able to drain out. Now, I have all these buckets drilled on the bottom, and now I'm going to show you how to make the cuts here rather easily to put either some of your herbs, or in this case strawberries. So you can grow 4 here towards the sun and 3 here on top. So let's get busy doing that, and I'll show you how to do that. So let's pull that up here so I can get to it. Hold on. Okay, I decided to do these drill holes and show you something. Now, as you see this, I got real close, I was able to connect. Some of them I'm not, some of them are far away. See? And then I came up here and I decided to lay the drill sideways and cut the hole a bit bigger so you can see this. Now, I can take a sharp knife or the drill and cut this open. And that's all I really need to do is cut this open and make 4 of them alongside this side here. Because this will be the side that I'm going to make face the sun. And then this way, the strawberries, or the herbs, but in this case strawberries, will all be up here and I'll be over here. So these will hang down with their strawberries here. I'll come up a little bit actually. And then these will come back over so that none of these strawberries will be on the ground whatsoever. I'll finish and I'll show you before I start cutting them loose. Now, here it is. Remember I did this one here? It doesn't matter the shape too much. But I went further up because I want the strawberries to not touch the ground. And then I continued on here. Then I moved up here and I did this half round. Now I cut this out here using the drill bit. I'm going to use a knife to cut the rest. But I just wanted you to see that you can do it with the drill bit by laying it sideways after you have the drill holes done and then cutting it out. So I'm going to get the knife and cut these out. I'll show you when I'm done. Now, one thing I forgot to tell you is that, like, I'm using this little knife here. It's not really that little. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it here into the hole and I'm actually going to punch it through. That's what I'm going to do. So here we go. I'm going to punch it. You can watch. Probably won't be able to see it very well. Hang on, I'm going to do this real quick. Okay. Hold on. Oops. Okay. Let's do it again. Yeah. Down here. Done. This. Push this through. Okay. Punch. There we go. Punch this baby. There we go. Now, there we go. That's done. Sorry I dropped the phone on this, but here it is. I punched through and I cut it. Okay, so you can drill them out, you punch them out with that knife, I'm gonna finish these and show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, there you go. I decided to take the drill to it. It was much easier than I found out. Lay it on its side, drill these babies out, just like this. Just like that. That's how I did it. I cut the rest of those off. So now I can go ahead and get the strawberries ready. Stay tuned.